Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do general love reading for fire sign Leo. This is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone, and this reading is last week of July. So Leo, let's see your person current feelings towards you. And your feelings towards them. The energy could be vice versa depending upon your situation, but I am particularly here it is your person and it is you, and it could be reverse also depending upon your situation. So let's see your person feelings towards you right now. Queen of Wands, Four of Cups, Queen of Pentacles and Ace of Wands, and your feelings towards them. The Rebel, Totality, Suppression and Intensity. Suppression means Ten of Wands, Page of Knight of Wands, and the Rebel means the Emperor, and Totality is Five of Wands. Lord of Fire energy, your person could be Aries, Leo, Sag, or water energy, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. It could be any sign basically. So your person feelings towards this connection is they want new beginning with you, because in past they missed opportunity with you. They have a lot of passion for you. Definitely they want a new beginning with you, because without you they're feeling very sad, because Four of Cups here. In past they missed this opportunity, but right now they want to miss this opportunity. But here the things different, because you are very burdened. You only take responsibility for this connection, separation, and for Totality, Five of Wands. You feeling exhausted and you feeling like I am no more take this responsibility anymore, because you are like Suppression and Totality, Five of Wands. The Rebel, you are the Emperor. You are very honest in this connection. And Intensify means Knight of Wands. You want this connection, but this time you are waiting for they to take action towards you. I'm getting, because in past they don't accept your offer, but it's the time they have to come towards you and offer their love to you. So let's see mutual energy between both of you. Wow, Four of Wands. This could be twin flame connection also. You both could be twin flames. Three of Swords. Yes, one person is very heartbroken in this connection, but one person want union in this connection. So I think it's your person, or you could be Leo, you also, depending upon your situation. But one person, it could be Leo, you when you tried so many times, your person not accepting your offer, or they not taking any responsibility, you heartbroken. But when you leave, your person will want new beginning with you. So see some more cards from the universe for final message. Leo. Wow, we are the World, Ten of Pentacles. You want stability. There, Thunderblonde Tower. The outcome of this guilt. Yes, your person feeling very guilt for what they did to you, because Thunder, when you reject the offer, when they want a new beginning, you reject, or you want but you don't say it, you giving some silent treatment to them. That's why they tower moment, and they are feeling very guilt. I am getting. So you want stability, but you didn't express, because due to the past situations. So your person this time want new connection, new beginning with you. It's up to you, totally up to you. So this is the reading for you, Leo. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me, guys. Bye.